Hi everybody, it's Earl coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Check out the 1969 Firebird convertible. Drop your top and show me your seats. Check out how beautiful this bird is. Sorry about my shadow. Sun's about in a different angle, so I'll get over here. Freshly built 350 Edelbrock high rise. Original manifolds, clean, body is super straight, power disc brakes, power steering, all your hoses and belts, suspension are all good. Great car for cruising, gorgeous lines, we don't see many of these, and just clean all the way throughout. PHS paperwork is coming with this car and a lot of other documentation. All your chrome and headlights are working the way they should. Your grille and badged out right. I'm sorry about the shadow, but I'll get on an angle. See how crisp that line is all the way down the car? All original panels. 15-inch Cooper tires, factory PMD wheels. All your chrome and glass is in great shape. It just gaps out the way it should. Paint is amazing, thick. I haven't seen any issues yet, but we're gonna go through it together. Look how straight it is. What a stance. Firebirds are just iconic. This thing really cruises nice. Your rear chrome bumper's real good. All your lights are working. Trunk is in excellent condition. Your moldings are great. Look at that. All your welds are the way they should be. All the way throughout. Oh, sorry about that sun. I'm going a different angle. There you go. Real nice. Power top on this. Power windows. That's right, power windows as well. This quarter's good and it gaps out great to the door. All your chrome is good. On the bottom's good. Gaps out to the fender the way it should. Paint is deep. You can see me in there. Hi everybody. It's a nice car. Beautiful lines, great face. Top is in excellent condition. I have pictures of that online at MGMClassicCars.com. Back seat's great. Power windows. All your seat belts are intact. Power windows. All clean underneath in all your cavities. Nice. It's got a tilt wheel also, folks. It's got gauge package, upgraded sound system. Oh, I like that. Look at that. The clock is working even. 76,851 miles on the odometer. True to be. Keep in mind the engine and transmission have been recently rebuilt. Here's your power top button. Your dash is in great shape. Aftermarket gauges are really nice. Real nice sound. Nice set of dual exhaust. Nice sound. Real good. We are located in Addison, Illinois, just 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. Warehouse is open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. Let's see how this bird runs. See if she flies. Sounds great. Handle's tight. All our photos, descriptions, videos and pricing on the 190 cars we have in stock are on our website, MGM Classic Cars. Oh yeah, she sounds real good. Fly like an eagle. So, if you need special finance that we offer, you're going to have good credit. We'll go up to 180 months with 10% down. We also have shipping all over the United States, bonded and insured to your front door, enclosed and open. Just call me at 773-600-0919. Again, my name is Earl. 773-600-0919. I'm going to shut up for a few minutes and let's, horn is working, see what this baby is doing. Let's fly. It's tight. Sounds good. No funky noises. It's a nice, beautiful day with the top down. Let's test the suspension. All right, good. No funky noises. Goes through the gears great. Brakes are just wonderful. It's nice and tight. No stories whatsoever. This is a real nice car. All your gauges are working. You got an upgraded sound system in here as well. Like us on our Facebook, MGM Classic Cars. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, MGM Classic Cars. Yeah. Oh, birdie fly. I thought she was going to take off. Yeah, nice car. Here's our warehouse with all our cars in there. Our service center's at the end. Everybody's always working. So give me a call if you're interested or I can help you with anything. 773-600-0919. Thank you everybody for hanging out for a little bit. This is a real nice 69 350 Firebird with a lot of paperwork. Thanks everybody.